I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put a clock on your home screen. To begin, simply press and hold an empty space on your home screen for a few seconds. This action will reveal a menu at the bottom or top of your display. From there, tap on the widgets option. Next, scroll through the available categories until you locate the clock section. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you're in the clock widget section, you'll see various styles, such as elegant analog faces or clear digital displays, often in different sizes like a 1x1 or a 2x2 grid. Tap on your preferred clock widget to select it. Then, simply drag and drop it onto your desired spot on the home screen. You can place it anywhere there's enough space. After placing your clock widget, some devices and widget types offer further customization. You might be able to adjust its size by dragging the edges of the widget, making it larger or smaller to fit your layout perfectly. Additionally, certain clocks allow you to change the time zone displayed or alter its visual appearance, like the background color or font style, directly from the home screen. With your clock now on the home screen, take a moment to ensure it's displaying the correct time and looks exactly as you intended. Remember, you're not limited to just one. You can add multiple clock widgets, perhaps for different time zones if you have family or colleagues across the globe. Feel free to explore other widgets too, to personalize your device even further and enhance its functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.